so good.
Good morning.
So
Welcome to Smile Jamaica. It's morning time. It's almost the end of July, but it's not because it's July 30th. So I suspect tomorrow, according to Bonafide. Tomorrow is the end of July, that's what? 31.
Yes,
And then
31.
then Emancipation Day is on Wednesday.
Correct.
That's the day I met you. You know that?
20 many years ago.
1997.
A while.
Yeah.
You're not forgiving. You're not forgiving me. Let's say a
No,
while.
me never said what age you were.
Well, if it's 97, it's been like a little while.
Yeah, so
they
you
can do
were,
some
you
maxes.
were 13 when I met you.
Okay, we'll play with that.
Right. There you
I
go.
was 13.
Yeah. I don't know.
Yes, exactly right.
I don't know.
I won't even bother to.
Anyway, we welcome our
But
friends
with a
on
myriad of issues with
OneSpotMedia.com, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Snapchat at SmileJamTVJ, and also at TelevisionJamaica.com. Great to have you with us. Hope you had a great and wonderful and beautiful weekend, and I hope you're ready for a productive week, as they always say. What do you mean by them say, have a productive day? What do them say?
They hope you're as productive as you can be.
Which means what?
Don't be lazy. Get stuff done. Get as much as you can get done.
Then
so
all
that
we
you-
don't do that every day.
No.
So when you're unproductive, what you do?
You sit at your desk.
And do what?
You surf Facebook. you talk on Twitter.
I have a question. Oh, you know, so you have
I've seen many
you have had unproductive days?
I'm not allowed to. If I
Really?
don't produce, I have no work. And when I don't produce, it's very evident.
Okay.
But I've seen many unproductive harm.
So at businesses, you're not allowed to be on your phone during the day and stuff like that?
You shouldn't be on your phone for any prolonged period. Of course, you're going to be on your phone at some point.
You can talk
but
on
that's
it.
not
You
true.
can talk
Of
on your
course.
cell phone while you're at work.
It's not a prison, you know. Well,
Yeah,
maybe
but-
because some offices really don't allow it. So I guess it's different strokes for different folks.
Well,
but
I hope you have a productive day and week. How can we know, like on Friday, how productive you were for the week?
you can talk to my boss.
But I trust you. So if you tell me, I will believe you. What are
I'm
they?
being productive right now, you know. This is
No,
a
you're
part
not.
of course.
What you do?
Oh, what?
But what you do?
As are you.
What are you
I
doing?
am working. It's not chicken. I'm jerking. I know the pan is over there. But what is it? I have to get up on my bed at 4 o'clock.
That's productive.
You come here for 3 hours.
Yeah, but you're not
You-
start
you-
productive yet.
Oh, you mean? So when we're going to start productive?
When you start work and
So what am I doing now?
talking to I.
You're true. That's very unproductive, but true. I get your point. I agree. Well, then let's start the show and get productive then.
So you had a good weekend? You had a productive week?
I actually did, you know.
You had a productive
I
weekend?
did.
So weekend
Personally
and
productive, though.
production in it too?
Yes, of course.
What's that?
You know, if you tick off things on your list of things to do, then that's a productive day.
Personal production. Yeah.
That's right.
It's the first we hear that. Yes, man.
course,
All
you're
right.
right.
Okay,
God, you
then.
don't sleep. You wear pajamas, Lord, but you do not sleep.
What? So
Hallelujah.
trying to deaf me is God work?
It's you know, it comes around.
No, hold on.
Yeah.
So you are suggesting that
I'm
God
not
is so
saying
wicked
he's
that him
deafening you.
trying to
I'm
deaf
saying
me.
he's giving you a sign. You don't want to outright deaf you. He's just saying, shut up your mouth.
Oh.
Don't be mean to Simone all the
Well,
time.
my God and your God different. My God
true?
not trying to deaf me at
You
all.
don't. My God believes in reciprocity. You want to look it up?
That sounds like more production. All right, coming up on today's productive
Harold,
show,
can you please fix your prompter?
we'll give you your...
Sorry.
We're not going to give you anything unless you tell me what I'm going to give them. So, hold on. Okay, we'll give you your Monday morning inspiration to start your day off,
Very
right?
productive of you, Harold. Thank you. Sorry. You want to be more productive? You can read my links too.
No, I need you on the production line.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. We're going to have some tips for you to keep the little ones cool this very hot summer.
It is hot.
It is.
Asadenaki is in the building and he'll be our smile entertainer throughout the show.
We'll also showcase what one community of farmers is doing and how it has positively impacted the entire neighborhood. It is also
Rough
World
enough.
against Trafficking in Persons Day, and we have Deputy Superintendent of Police Carl Berry, who will be joined by Miss Jamaica World 2017, Solange Sinclair, to discuss this important issue and how we can join in the fight.
What's it name? World what?
Against human trafficking?
World Day Against Trafficking in Persons. I don't have a day for everything, but that's an important
Very
area.
much so.
The final 5 Miss Jamaica Festival Queen contestants will also be joining us this morning ahead of the competition, which is on Emancipation Day, which is on Wednesday. Yeah.
Okay, and the organizers of Emancifest and the Mobay Drug Festival are going to be doing a show and tell this morning of why you guys must attend these events. Lots of those will be happening this week.
Yep.
Emancipendence.
Everybody needs a break, folks, especially me. We'll tell you why you should and how to give your brain a break this summer. Well,
some of us do that already.
My brain
And
already.
finally, that's why you're unproductive. When your brain is not working,
I
you're
am not unproductive, please.
I'm not saying you, I'm saying generally. All right, we're also going to have a fun discussion about some ancient cities that you probably have never heard of. But we're going to keep the productivity going this morning because we're firing on all cylinders.
Okay.
Hot topics today.
That's the word for the day, folks.
Productivity. The act of being productive. Okay.
So the chairman of the Spectrum Management Authority, that gentleman there, Mr. Trevor Forrest, well, he said, he's talking about Miss Carolyn Warren, who resigned from her position because we heard that she had a couple of convictions, and apparently she said she did not know that because she had a conviction, she could not have been in the position she was actually
Really
in.
that she didn't declare.
Yeah. Well, she came out and said she didn't know that if she had a conviction, then
Yes,
she
what she named
wasn't
declare.
eligible. Yeah. I had no knowledge of who Carolyn Warren was. We had never met, nor did I care if she was hired for the post. Her application was based on a referral which I received before the deadline, but based on my own tardiness, forwarded to management late without the attendant request. So said
I'm so
Mr. Forrest.
confused by
Yep.
this article.
But Dr. McBean,
What was supposed to have been cleared up by this article?
I don't
by
know.
his statement.
I don't know.
Because if not, it makes, if anything, I'm a little more confused
Yeah.
than. Because if you did not know her,
Where did the request
push,
come
right.
from
What?
to push? And after the managing director said, no, you fired back. And then the managing director said, no, again, and you fire back
and it's a
again.
whole
Yeah, and then you said, well, stop everything and let the board decide what to do about all of this.
But even more interestingly is that he's accusing the media of giving false. Well, he says the Gleaner, according to Forrest, the reports first published by the Gleaner have given the false impression that he was seeking to subvert the recruitment process and have Warren parachuted into the job. Says in his capacity he routinely gets at least 2 resumes weekly. It appears the Gleaner, in wanting to be sage in its analysis of the issue, read far too much into the emails, leading the paper to accuse me of encroachment. I reject that descriptor. I mean, he's very strong in his response. But, I mean, for people who've heard the emails, it's just a little confusing.
Yep. And I think what the Gleaner did was really just carry the emails. I'm not certain I read where the Gleaner was suggesting A or B. I think the Gleaner just said, here's a timeline of what went on. But again, the question to me would be, if you don't know her, and you were told by the managing director that time has passed, we can't do this, why did you not just stand down?
And if you yourself are saying that the fault was yours because you got it before the time, but you were tardy, then if it was still late, then it was still late.
So why did you not just stand down then?
I don't know. He says, but he's saying nothing in the email thread suggests that Dr. McBean was intimidated into acting on the request or he was pressured into following his request. So I don't know.
I think he was saying originally that he didn't see anything that would stop Ms. Warren from being interviewed,
And the policy did
even
not,
though
right.
the request was late. He was suggesting originally that him never say anything in law from the company that suggested that because
policy.
the request was late, then she still couldn't. Anyway,
I guess he's really saying
and we're going to hear more about all of this. Apparently,
Yeah, and he
there's-
said this discussion and the exchanges with McBean have ensured, I guess what ensued out of that the policy around recruitment and the Spectrum
Will be
Management
followed?
Authority is no longer subject to anyone's misinterpretations.
It should have
Everything
been
is
followed
clear
from
now.
day one.
So
You're a very good friend on
you can take on this podcast.
Kumbalo, the outstanding
I
and
don't really
wonderful
understand what he's doing.
President Donald Trump decides, say, well, all right, if they don't give me the money for me build my wall, I am going to shut down the
Shut
entire
it
government.
down.
Them say, I want the money to build the wall. I want to keep out undesirables. And if they don't give me the money, I shall shut it down. He said, I said to Congress, I will never sign another bill like this again. They don't want the wall, but we're going to get the wall, even if we have to think about closing up the country for a while. Donald Trump win. That's all I can say. Him win. Next one is not good news at all.
Yeah, he's in Indonesia.
Yep. Not good
Powerful
news.
earthquake struck a popular tourist destination in Indonesia. At least 14 people have been killed. The quake hit the central island of Lombok just before 7 o'clock local time on Sunday. The island attracts tourists from around the world because it has beaches and hiking trails. It's located about 40 kilometers east of Bali. They say more than 160 people have been injured. Thousands of homes are damaged. A Malaysian tourist who was on a hiking trip is among those killed. And this quake was followed by more than 60 smaller earthquakes, with the largest recorded at a magnitude of 5.7. This one was 6.4. I think I just said it. That's a serious shake-up. Really sad story there. My gosh, look at the rubble. Jeez, I'm crying.
Incredible.
Mother Nature. One thing I don't like, I would take not that there's a choice, but hurricane or earthquake. At least hurricane, you get a chance to prepare.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
And at least the hurricane, you kind of know when it's coming too.
So I say you get a chance to prepare,
Yeah.
but this earthquake thing just comes out
Which is what you said, didn't you?
very, very frightening. Anywho,
All right.
birthday.
I was trying to find a picture of my bona fide bridging them, and I don't know what I do with it. But
Which are that you're looking for?
it is my good friend now. Their 8th anniversary tomorrow. I won't be here tomorrow, and I wanted to do it. Lachelle and Simon Bennett. Now I have a wicked picture. I don't know when we do the picture.
Someone have birthday last week and anniversary this week?
Yeah. Yeah. But I have a picture, and I will find it later and show the picture. Yes, sir? Don't worry. But I pray that you have a great day tomorrow. I wish you many, 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 many more. So Simon and Lachelle, you know my love, and plenty. I actually toasted him at his
Did you?
wedding. Yeah.
That must have been a very big toaster.
It was.
How did he fit in there?
We don't know. So I kind of toasted him. I mean,
And he didn't get burned?
him support Italy though, which means him not one of the brightest people in life.
But he's your
The
friend.
man support that team whenever I'm there at World Cup.
It happened.
Figure that out.
Some of us carry teams that
Hold
don't
on,
win.
maybe he must send me a picture. No? Come here, so. Wait, no, don't move. Send the picture. Yeah, watch out. Always not this one I have.
I thought you said is he in Trinidad?
Him come back. Him
Oh.
come back, man. There they are.
Traveling the
Come
world,
back.
man.
Although him look like him a ras now, look like him have a barber. So my brethren,
He can come to me, you know.
see him there, man. I'm a two good friend. I love them, you
If
see.
he wants a haircut, I can deal with
He's
it.
a big time goalkeeper. But him reached about 93 now, so him can't keep so wonderful again.
Haircuts are us, right over here.
Yeah.
Somebody will ask him if you're going to keep your hair like that.
What do you think? It's up to you. Since you cut it off, you tell me.
I say yes.
Keep it. Aubrey, what you say? Everett, manager say it.
Yes.
The consensus
Guys, so why none of you don't want me to cut your hair if you feel so strongly about Nevers?
No. Them all right. Them the way you do it, man.
Well, just take it out. But they like it.
All right. Rachel, Simon, have a great
Guys, I
day
won't
tomorrow.
charge,
God
you
bless
know.
the
I'm
toy,
not
all right?
charging
Most
a
love.
dime.
Happy
I'll do it for
birthday,
free
folks.
out of the goodness of my heart. Nobody.